Welcome to MindHaven, your sanctuary for focus, clarity, and inner growth. Here you can step away from the noise of the world and reconnect with your deepest intentions. This meditation will guide you to lock in on your goals, strengthen your focus, and align with the version of yourself who achieves them. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Allow your body to settle into comfort and your mind to soften into stillness. Breathe in deeply and out slowly. With each exhale, release tension and mental clutter. Feel your mind clearing like a calm sky after a passing storm. There is only this moment and your intention. Now bring to mind one goal you deeply want to achieve. See it clearly in your mind. Picture the outcome as if it is already real. Where are you? What does it look like? Sound like? Feel like to have it achieved? Take a few breaths, letting yourself fully experience that success. As you breathe, imagine a gentle but powerful beam of focus connecting you to this goal. Every inhale draws energy and clarity into your vision. Every exhale releases fear, doubt, and distraction. Repeat silently to yourself, I am focused. I am aligned. I am moving toward my goal. Feel this truth settling into your mind and body. See your future self standing there, having already achieved your goal. Notice their confidence, their ease, their gratitude. They turn to you and say, stay focused. You are capable. You are already on the path. Take that encouragement and lock it into your heart. Take one last deep breath in and release fully. When you open your eyes, carry this clarity and determination with you. You are aligned with your goal. You are ready to take action and achieve it.